Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome to your next great adventure in Edinburgh, Scotland. This city is packed with history, magic, and unforgettable sights. From ancient castles to lively cobblestone streets. Think a trip here has to be expensive? Think again. With smart planning, you can enjoy a full weekend in Edinburgh for under £180. Travel Partner is here to guide you with practical tips and a step-by-step itinerary. We'll show you how to make the most of your money, from transport to food and attractions. Our 2-day plan is filled with fun, flavor, and iconic sights, all on a budget. You don't need to be a travel expert, just bring your sense of adventure and follow our guide. We'll cover everything: where to stay, what to eat, and how to experience the city's best without overspending. Ready to discover Edinburgh's secrets? Let's dive in. Subscribe to Travel Partner for more budget-friendly travel inspiration. This guide is your ticket to a fantastic, affordable weekend. We believe everyone should have the chance to explore the world, no matter your budget. You'll experience the heart of Edinburgh, from its grand castle to its hidden alleyways. Let's prove that a limited budget doesn't mean limited fun. Get ready to make memories in Edinburgh you'll never forget. Let's talk about how to make your money go further in Edinburgh. Our total budget, £180 for the weekend. We'll break it down into 4 categories: accommodation, transport, food, and attractions. £60 for 2 nights in a hostel, £10 for city transport, £60 for food, and £50 for attractions. Every pound has a purpose. No surprises, just smart choices. Hostels offer comfort and location for less, and Edinburgh's walkability means you'll save on transport. Eating at local cafes and bakeries keeps meals affordable and delicious. The city's top attraction, Edinburgh Castle, fits within our budget, and we'll take advantage of free sites too. This plan is based on real prices and tested strategies. You'll enjoy the best of Edinburgh without missing out or overspending. Budget travel is about freedom, not sacrifice. Stick to the plan, and you'll feel savvy and empowered. That's what Travel Partner is all about, making travel accessible for everyone. Accommodation is a big part of your budget, but Edinburgh has great options for less. We've set aside £60 for 2 nights, about £30 per night. City hostels are your best bet. Clean, safe, and right in the heart of the action. Castle Rock Hostel and High Street Hostel are top picks, both steps from major sites. Dorm rooms keep costs low, and shared kitchens let you save even more by cooking. Book early on Hostelworld or Booking.com to lock in the best price and location. Hostels aren't just cheap, they're social too. Meet travelers from around the world and maybe find a new friend to explore with. This choice frees up more of your budget for experiences. A hostel stay is smart, practical, and key to enjoying Edinburgh on a budget. Remember, book ahead, read reviews, and enjoy the savings. With accommodation sorted, you're ready for adventure. Let's see what the city has to offer. Day 1 begins with checking into your hostel and heading straight to Edinburgh Castle. Book your ticket online for about £22, worth every penny for the history and views. Explore the Crown Jewels, the National War Museum, and walk the ancient ramparts. After the castle, stroll down the Royal Mile, Edinburgh's most famous street, lined with history and street performers. Wander the narrow closes for hidden stories and classic city views. Don't miss the Vennel for a perfect photo of the castle. This mix of paid and free activities shows how to balance your budget while seeing the best sights. Take your time, soak in the atmosphere, and enjoy the city's unique charm. Edinburgh's magic is everywhere, and much of it is free. With just a little spending, you'll experience the city's highlights. Let's keep exploring. After a morning of history, grab a budget lunch, like a sausage roll from Greg's or a fresh sandwich from a local deli. Eat outside and watch the city go by. Simple, cheap, and satisfying. Next, join a free walking tour. Local guides share stories and secrets you'd never find alone. Tip your guide £5 to £10. It's well worth it. You'll visit St. Giles's Cathedral, see statues, and learn about Edinburgh's colorful past. Don't miss Greyfriars Kirkyard and the tale of loyal Greyfriars Bobby. The tour is a brilliant way to see highlights and get your bearings. Afterward, you'll feel like a local and know your way around. For more tips, subscribe to Travel Partner. This afternoon proves you can learn and explore without breaking the bank. Evening calls for a classic Scottish dinner. Fish and chips from a local chippy for under £10. Or try a pub meal like haggis, neeps, and tatties for a true taste of Scotland. Enjoy your meal outdoors or in a cozy pub. Soak up the local atmosphere. Skip expensive entertainment and take a nighttime stroll instead. The old town glows under the lights, and the castle looks stunning after dark. Walk up Kelton Hill for a breathtaking free view of the city skyline. Review your spending, castle ticket, lunch, walking tour tip, and dinner, all within budget. You've had a full day of sights, flavors, and experiences for less than £45. Budget travel means more adventure, not less. Rest up at your hostel, you've earned it. Day 1 shows how rewarding smart travel can be. Ready for day 2? Let's go. Edinburgh's magic continues tomorrow. Day 2 starts with a simple hostel breakfast, often included for free. Lace up your shoes and head to Arthur's Seat, the ancient volcano in Holyrood Park. The climb is free and takes about an hour, rewarding you with stunning city views. Enjoy the panorama, then explore the park's ruins and locks. This wild landscape is a slice of the highlands in the city. It's the perfect escape and costs nothing. By midday, you'll be back in the city, refreshed and inspired. Grab a supermarket meal deal for lunch, sandwich, snack, and drink for around £4. Affordable, filling, and a local favorite. Let's make the most of your final afternoon. Spend your last afternoon exploring Edinburgh's free museums. Start at the National Museum of Scotland. Discover everything from dinosaurs to Dolly the sheep. The Grand Gallery is a must-see, and the exhibits are fascinating for all ages. Next, visit the Writers' Museum, tucked down a Royal Mile close, to learn about Scotland's literary legends. Both museums are free and offer a deep dive into the city's culture. Snap a photo with the Greyfriars Bobby statue nearby. For souvenirs, skip pricey shops. Grab a postcard or Scottish shortbread from a supermarket. Take one last stroll through the city, soaking in the atmosphere. You've seen and done so much, all within your budget. Subscribe to Travel Partner for more affordable adventures. Your Edinburgh weekend is complete, and you did it all for under £180. You explored castles, walked historic streets, joined a free tour, climbed Arthur's Seat, and visited world-class museums. You ate well, stayed central, and made smart choices every step of the way. This trip proves you don't need a big budget for a rich travel experience. Edinburgh welcomes travelers of all kinds, with history, beauty, and free culture at every turn. Budget travel is about discovering what you can do, not what you can't. You've connected with the city, its people, and its stories. Your adventure doesn't have to end here. Keep exploring, keep saving, and keep making memories. For more tips and inspiration, follow and subscribe to Travel Partner. Edinburgh's magic is real, and it's waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your own unforgettable, affordable adventure. Travel is for everyone. Let's make your next trip amazing. See you on the next journey.